Hi and welcome back to another Scalper video. In today's video, we are just doing a little review. Review of the trading day, what I did well, what I did bad, how I could improve. Okay, so we're starting with the first one, which is Euro dollar or Euro FX futures. I just look at futures because it's accurate, because I get a more accurate view of order flow. So in the prep you guys saw, I marked off this poor extreme. Market went there. This is the value area, so I should have been buying here instead of selling. That's one important thing. Minus 1.2, so I got minus 3.2 on euro for the day, which is bad. It's terrible actually. Yeah, let's get into gold. I'm gonna do another video where I go into depth of these positions for the day. What is my thought process in the moment? What was I looking at? And how exactly I got into trades. Now we look at gold. Gold, the same thing. There's these poor extremes at the highs, which I should have been looking to trade towards instead of going short down here. Even though the short idea was correct, but my whole prep was for a kind of more day trading or like longer time frame hold to these extremes instead of a quick scalp. My idea was a quick scalp over here. I think I had a bit too large a stop, but you can see this rectangle box is holding price. So it got in here, it gets out a bit, it gets out a bit here. But just like the prep, yeah, this is gold. This is our gold prep at poor highs. What we're looking at the target. Um, Poor highs, what we're looking at is the target. And I didn't have any other references to go off of. Obviously, it was value area low, value area high, and the poor highs. So I should have been going long from here, long from VWAP, and then long on top of this VWAP band. Yeah, I went short below the VWAP band, and we're outside that market profile level, which is good. That's good, but I think I should have gotten out of this trade sooner for a smaller stop. 1.3% is a bit too much on that. But we'll get back into that. This is something I'm working on. This is NASDAQ. So I'm using the tick data, cumulative tick on NASDAQ. I'll have a separate video on this as well, going into that. I did make a video on cumulative tick uh, using tick data, but it's not obviously not complete. So this is how it looked for the day. I think I was up about 18R. Didn't really materialize because I didn't have the risk capital. Also, I didn't have the mental capital to put on that kind of risk. I think I had about what is it, $500 of risk left, and I was comfortable losing 200 of that 500 just to end the day. So if I took a position that was too big, I would have lost that whole 500, and that wouldn't have been good. Wouldn't have been uh, an enjoyable day. As you can see, I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it 6 or 7 positions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 positions, 5 winning, 1 losing, and the smallest R multiple was 1.9. Which is a good day. Good day of scalping. Even though I couldn't put on the size, it just shows like the process is working. Now it's just okay, come back tomorrow when I actually have some risk allocated, and then take these trades. Okay. Also, I was trading really well. Outside market profile, that value area high. Outside VWAP bands of the session and of the day. So that's just telling me everything is telling me to buy. Right now we're more rotational, like getting from one extreme to the other. We did bounce at VWAP just now, but I'm not looking too much into that. Also, I'm done trading for now. I'll wait till tomorrow when I have more risk capital and then I'll go again. But yeah, that's the overview for the day. If you enjoyed that, you're gonna enjoy the next videos, which is me going into exactly the reason why I was taking these trades. Cheers.